Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Allure beauty box. I got this last week, but I just haven't gotten around to filming it. I saw Kathleen Lights do an Ipsy bag try-on. It was like try-on style, so she had like tried her products beforehand so she could, let you know how they actually were working. So I kind of did something like that, just with one of the products is what I tested. So with that, let's get into it. The first product that I tried was the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. It looks like this. The full-size product retails for $85, which is bonkers. Yeah, I don't think I could ever justify spending that much money on a single product. But I did try it out for a few days. I felt like it helped reduce some of the texture around my nose, but on my nose it made my kind of dry skin get really like crusty, and once I stopped using it, that went away. So maybe I'll keep using it, but just keeping it away from like my actual nose. It smells really nice. It's got like vitamin C in it. It kind of smells like oranges. This box kind of, when I opened it, everything's covered in this really, like, fine white powder, and it kind of scares me. Like, it's just super, super dusty, and I don't know if that's just their confetti, or, like, if it's actually something else that's, like, wrong. The next product is thisworks in Transit Camera Close-Up Moisturizer Mask Primer in one. I have not tried this one yet. The full-size product retails for $55. It says it contains skin plumpers, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin, and a tightener, which is caffeine. It feels a little sticky at first, but quickly melts into the skin. As a primer, it creates a smooth canvas for foundation, but it also gives a pretty radiance, and made a hopeless situation look not so bad at all. So that will be one that I will try. Like, I don't get why it says it's a mask, because in my mind, masks, like, harden. I don't know what makes it a mask, but hopefully this won't make my skin oily, but I will give this a shot and see what is up with that one. The third product is The One by Frederic Fekkai. One and then some dry texturizing spray. Just got a little... Oh, shit! It's an aerosol can. It says in the description that it smells so good that a perfect stranger will tap you on the shoulder to ask what it is, and it does smell really nice from what I've just shot all over my living room. Oh, wow. It's really strong. Holy cow. It's supposed to give your roots a natural looking lift, and it smells really good, I guess. The full size version of this retails for $29. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Don't come in here, Devin. Smells awful. I mean, like, it's good, it's just a lot. Next up is this Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Rosewood. I've never tried any Makeup Forever products, so I'm pretty stoked to try this one. I don't have any nude lip colors, because my lips are so small that I don't know if nudes will, like, make it worse. But I am going to put it on right now and see what I think about it. It's so cute! It's so small! Oh! Okay. Here we go. That's really creamy. Really creamy. Oh yeah, that's nude. Oh gosh. Okay, this color is just different. I've never worn anything like this before. It's a little sticky, but I mean, it's probably still drying down. Right? I think it's really pretty. What do you guys think? I don't know, I've been wearing so many like berry colors and wine and reds that I'm not used to like purpley browns. That's why I feel like it's got some purple in it. It's not just a complete brown. It's very thick, very creamy. The full size of this Makeup Forever liquid lipstick retails for $20. And the last thing in the box is actually what I'm most excited about. I don't know why. It's the Smoky Eye Pen from Radial. Because I use gel liner, I can never, like, it doesn't stay in my waterline, and I've always wanted to try putting eyeliner in my waterline, so I was pretty stoked to get this one. If I can get it open. I hope this... No, it's brown! I didn't want brown! I wanted black! Ah, that sucks. Like, who uses brown eyeliner? I've never seen anyone use brown eyeliner. Everyone likes black. Oh. Whatever, I'll try it out. I mean, maybe it'll be good. Maybe, like, it could look good with a really, like, pretty brown sparkly eye. That's really creamy. That's nice. Okay. Okay. Let's put this in the waterline and see. I don't know how to put anything in the waterline, so I'm just gonna duck down here. Okay, I don't know if that even looks any different. I do wish this had come in black. That's fine though. Okay, and I'm assuming that this is the full-size product because that wouldn't make it any bigger than that. And this retails for $21. That is it for this month. I'm not sure how I feel about, like, how much, like, worth I'm gonna get out of this one. I'm mostly excited about these three products. I don't use a lot of product in my hair, so the texturizing spray will be less useful for me, but I know my mom does, so I will probably end up giving this to her. And I will keep trying this Rapid Flash Brightening Serum to see if it helps improve the texture on my face, or get rid of the texture on my face. I mentioned in my last video that I've been trying to cancel my subscription to the Allure Beauty Box. I finally heard back from them today, and they said, I don't know, something like, we can give you 4 months for $10. And I was like, okay, so I am gonna have 4 months for $10. And then, I don't know, we'll see. 4 months will take us into the summer, and I'll have a full-time job at that point, as well as the job I have now, so I'll have more money. So we'll see. That's it for this video for my January Allure Beauty Box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure that you subscribe down below. See ya! My smoky line in my smoky line.